Hello dear students, good afternoon. Welcome to you all in this year math class. Okay, today we will read our new chapter HCF and LCM. HCF, the meaning of HCF is highest common factors and LCM is lowest common multiple. Okay, first of all, let's learn about the different ways to find the HCF of a number. First, let's learn about finding the HCF by definition method. In this method, we have to write down all the factors of a given number. Then after, we have to select the common factors, and among them we have to find the highest factors of both numbers, and which will be the HCF of the given number. Next one is prime factorization method. In this method, we have to divide all the given numbers separately with their factors. Then after, we have to write down all their factors, and finally multiply all the common factors of that given numbers. Then the answer will be the HCF of that numbers. So these are the two ways to find the HCF. Finding HCF means finding the common factors are those numbers which can divide the given number exactly, but it should be the highest one. Now let's move to LCM or lowest common multiple. Multiple number is a number when it is exactly divisible by other number. Like here is the multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. It means 3 5 is 15 and 5 3 is also 15. Okay, now let's learn some methods to find the lowest common multiple or LCM. Number 1, definition method. In this method, first we have to write down all the given numbers multiple. Then after, find out the common multiples. Among them, we have to choose the lowest one, which will be the LCM of that given number. Please look at the book if you have. It is in a book, page number 43. Now let's move to another method to find LCM. It is division method. Find the LCM according to division method. First we have to draw a table as shown on the screen. Then after, we have to put that given numbers horizontally. Then after, divide them by the common prime factors until the common factor becomes 1. Then after, we have to multiply all the common factors and the remaining to obtain LCM of that given number. Okay class, this much for today. Please get more ideas from your parents, from book, and even you can search in YouTube and Google and learn more about LCM and HCF, and your work is doing the exercise regarding LCM and HCF. Thank you for joining the class. Stay at your home, stay safe, stay blessed.